azo dye. This dye is being used by these market men and women. They add it to the real palm oil to make it reddish and also to make more profit. And one thing about this dye is that it is carcinogenic. That means it can cause cancer. And when you consume this palm oil containing this dye, it can lead to kidney problem, liver problem, and many other health issues. This dye is even banned in countries like Canada, USA, China, European Union, and India. So now, how do you know if the palm oil you are buying is real or fake? Number one, the color. Don't buy palm oil that is shining bright red. The real palm oil is not bright red. The reason why it shines bright red is because of that dye they add to it. So the real palm oil is reddish yellow in color. Okay. Secondly, sedimentation, commonly known as when oil slip. The down part of the real palm oil is reddish yellow in color, but the fake one does not sediment. Most time the whole container just look red. It doesn't separate, it doesn't slip. That is a fake oil. The real one sediment with reddish yellowish sediment at the bottom. This is due to the fiber and carotene content of palm oil. Then the upper part is usually reddish dark in color. That is real palm oil. The fake one does not separate. Everything will just look the same, red from up to down. There is no separation. Number 3 is the taste. The taste of real palm oil has this banga taste. You know your banga stew now, or your banga soup. The way it used to tell us how palm kernel tastes, that is how the real one tastes also. So if you are buying oil that does not have that banga taste, please drop it. That is not the real oil. You can tell them that you want to taste it before you buy it, okay? The next one is staining test. When you touch the oil and you clean it off from your hand, if your hand still remain red, that means there is dye inside. But when you clean it out and your hand is still looking yellow, that means it is the real palm oil. The fake palm oil is red, while the real one is usually yellowish. When you go into the market to buy palm oil, don't go for those red ones. Go for the reddish yellowish one and the ones that sediment, okay? Like you can see on the screen. This is the fake and this is the real one, so that you will not come and have liver problem and kidney issue. These days you see liver and kidney issue up and down as if it's typhoid and malaria. Please be careful what you eat. Check all these things before you buy your oil.